Here's the fun. I'll get them run out of here. It will be difficult to find them. Looks like there are chickens over there. I'll make it run out of the coop. Guess who can find these animals? I think they will run away very far.
Hey, I seem to hear the cries of the animals in our farm.
I just heard too. Maybe we need to go check it out. I'll go to the chicken coop and you come check the cows, pigs, sheep.
Oh my God! All the animals here have gone. What happened here?
My God, my chicken has gone. Did something happen?
There's something wrong with our farm. Our livestock is no longer in the barn.
Even the chicken is not in the coop. What should we do now? Or do we ask for the help of the Coco Melon family?
That's right. Let me call them. Hello. There's been a big problem with the farm. All the animals have run out of the barn. Please come and help us right now.
Huh? Why is that possible? I think someone broke it. We'll be there soon. Everyone come here quickly. The farm is in big trouble.
What's wrong, honey? Are grandparents' animals in trouble?
He just called to say that the animals have left the farm. Let's go there now.
Let's go, kids.
Hey JJ, do you think a bad guy has ruined your grandparents' animals?
I think so. Let's go there.
You're here. Maybe we need to split up to find the animals.
I don't know where to go first. I'm very confused.
I will go with Yo-Yo and Tom to the forest to find it.
That's right. Let the kids go to the forest to find while we find around.
Okay, now let's start looking for animals.
Not unexpected, the herd of animals ran here to take shelter. Now how do we get them back to the barn?
We will chase them back together. I think it won't be difficult. Let's chase them back together.
Have you found these animals? I'll make them run away again.
I just heard gunfire towards the sheep. Hurry up and chase it.
Huh? There's a bad guy shooting our pets. Hurry up.
He's running towards the forest. Chase him.
Oh, I've lost my gun. Hurry up, they're coming.
Woo-hoo-hoo! The bad guy dropped his gun here. Come quickly, JJ, Yo-Yo.
I have a way. We will use this gun to chase our animals back to the barn. Oh yes, of course. Let's go find the animals.
Hurry up, Yo-Yo.
Okay. This gun only makes an explosion to scare the animals. I will use it to get them back to the farm. It seems to work.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
your Tum-Tum and Gilio animals are all gone. I see the animals going towards the farm.
I'm afraid the bad guy will scare animals again. Hurry up and chase them.
Let's go, JJ. Okay.
It's frustrating. How to get the gun from them?
Pets do not enter the barn. What should we do, guys?
I'm afraid that if we chase them, they will run away again.
JJ, you try to shoot at them with a gun. Maybe they will return to the barn.
That's right, JJ. I think if they hear the gunshots, they'll go back to their barn. Let me try. I'm just afraid they will run away again. We will have a hard time getting them back to their barn. Wow! The sheep is in the barn. Does this gun sound really work?
One more chicken will be successful.
I'll make it go back to the barn. We finished the mission. Now we will wait for grandparents and parents to come back. We worked hard today.
I wonder where grandparents and parents went to find.
Our grandparents and parents are coming.
Wow! The animals have already returned. Did you bring them here?
Oh, I'm not mistaken.
Oh.
Did you find these pets? You guys are really good.
Wow. Oh my god, why do you have this gun, JJ?
This is the gun that the bad guy used to scare grandparents' animals. That's right. This gun just made an explosion that scared the animals away. The bad guy dropped the gun on the way to escape. Oh.
You guys are amazing. Today, it's lucky to have you guys find their grandparents' animals.
Thank you very much. You have worked hard today.
Thank you. You guys are really good.
It's nothing. I'm glad I helped find animals for you.
Maybe the bad guy will come back here looking for the gun.
Maybe I lost my gun. It's frustrating. I will go home and make another gun and come back here.
So you can sleep well tonight. We have to go home? Let's go home. It's almost dark. Hurry up and get in the car.
Thank you, guys.
Goodbye, grandparents.
If there's something wrong, please call us now. Bye.
Goodbye, grandparents.
Goodbye, grandparents.